Now it is time to delve into the curriculum. Units 1 and 2 introduce students to the role and responsibilities of a journalist. The program goals and rules are explained to the students. In order to help the students build relationships and confidence, icebreakers and team-building activities are incorporated. Students learn information about newspapers and explore various sections of the newspaper to become familiar with their role as journalists in the program. Unit 3 focuses on exploring informational texts, where students will understand the elements and structure of informational and expository text. This is important so students understand the type of writing they will be producing in their articles. They also explore the difference between fact and opinion. Units 4 and 5 focus on preparing students for the fieldwork. Students practice interviewing skills, such as interviewing etiquette, maintaining eye contact, monitoring their tone and volume, and good posture. The students practice using digital recorders and cameras to capture the important details in their fieldwork. Also, the students prepare for their interview by conducting research on their topic based on the location they will visit. If needed, students can divide into subtopics within their collaborative groups so the articles are not repetitive. Students should prepare from 4 to 6 questions for their interview using the 5W structure. In addition to learning how to develop questions for the interview, students also learn the key points in note-taking and practice the skills before going on their field trip. Here is an illustration of a reference chart for students to remember the key points on note-taking. Unit 6 is when students go out into the field to conduct their interviews and gather information for their article. The site should provide a tour of the facility, some type of presentation, and interviewing time. The students begin to draft their articles in Units 7 and 8. In Unit 7, the students begin writing the article's introduction. This involves writing a lead sentence, which incorporates the 5 W's, and providing a hook to capture the reader's attention. In Unit 8, students use a graphic organizer to organize their ideas. This will assist them in writing the paragraphs in their articles. Revisiting informational text structures in Units 7 and 8 will remind students of the type of writing they should include in their article. Once students have completed the graphic organizer, students should begin to construct the paragraphs and add details to the article. Once the paragraphs have been constructed, students will revisit the article with the purpose of revising and adding quotes to their article. Instructors should define and provide examples of quotes to support students, as well as provide the correct use of punctuation, quotation marks. It should also be explained that adding quotes provides evidence to support the facts written in the articles. The digital recorders used during the interview should be reviewed in order to identify quotes. Finally, Unit 10 provides students with the opportunity to proofread their articles and provide peer editing in order to finalize their articles. Students select a photograph from their fieldwork to complement their article and write a caption for it, and if possible, they may type their articles. Unit 10 is also the time to celebrate the completion of the writing process and the publication of the student's article in the final product, their very own newspaper.